Hi there, I am Nancy, and today I'm going to show you the easiest digital product to start selling, and that is ebooks. And I'm going to walk you through why they work so well, how to create one, and how to actually start selling it. And before we dive in, if you want to learn how to create and sell digital products, try my digital product mastery membership for just $7 for the first 30 days. Just comment trial below and I will send you the details. So here's the thing, I've been in the digital space since 2009, and I personally have tried every hustle online to make money. Flipping websites, selling on eBay, creating all sorts of digital products. And you know what? Ebooks have always been the most successful for me. And there are some really good reasons why. First, the barrier to entry is super low. You don't need fancy tools or a huge budget. Most of the times you could use your free tools that you already have on your computer. Second, there's no inventory to deal with. You're not managing stock, worrying about shipping, or dealing with those razor thin profit margins that come with physical products. So it's so much easier. And third, you could sell globally 24/7. As long as you have somewhere to sell your ebook, whether that's your website, social media, wherever, people can buy it at any time from anywhere in the world, and there's no ceiling on how many copies you could actually sell. So let's talk about how you could actually create one. First, you want to start with an idea. So just brainstorm what you want to teach or share with people. Now, here's where a lot of beginners get stuck. They think that they need to write this massive 200 or 300 page book for it to be valuable. But that's not true at all. More pages doesn't mean more value. If you can give people the transformation that they're looking for, let's say in 10 pages, then that's all you need. Don't overthink it. Next, use an AI to help you out. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude are amazing for getting started. So here's a prompt that you could use on any AI tool. I want to create an ebook about, insert your topic. My target audience is, describe your audience. The main transformation or benefit that they will get is, describe the outcome. Can you help me create a clear, straightforward title and subtitle? Then give me a chapter outline with 5 to 7 main topics I should cover. This will give you a solid framework to work with, and you don't have to write everything perfectly or even in order. Just get your ideas down first, and then you could polish it later. Now, when it comes to actually writing, you could use AI to clean up your grammar or help structure your thoughts. You could even use the voice mode in ChatGPT just to talk about your topic like you're explaining it to a friend, and then ask it to organize everything into a guide format. Or you could use AI as a starting point and then add your own stories and personality. Honestly, the most authentic content is gonna come from you. But for your first ebook, don't stress about making it perfect. Just get it done. For design, I love using Canva. It's super easy. They have tons of templates that you could use. Just search for ebook or even workbook, and workbook templates tend to have really nice aesthetic layouts. Pick one that you like, delete what you don't need, and replace the text with your own content. You can also create a cover in Canva, save it as the image, and use that for your ebook. Now, when you're done, export everything as a PDF. PDFs are universal. Anyone can read them on any device. Just don't give out the actual Word doc or Google Doc, because then people can actually edit it. Okay, so now you need a place to sell it. You need a platform that will house your ebook and automatically deliver it when someone makes a purchase. I recommend Stamp Store. You can actually try them out for 30 days, and I'm going to leave the link in my description box below. So what is Stamp Store? It's basically an all-in-one platform that lets you create a simple, mobile-friendly storefront where you could sell your digital products. And you want to think of it like a link in bio tool, but way more powerful. Here's the reason why I like it. You get one clean link that you could put in your Instagram bio, your TikTok, your YouTube, whatever. And when people click, they see all of your products in one place. It's super easy to set up. You just upload your ebook, set your price, write a quick description, and you are done. No complicated tech stuff. Now, when somebody buys from you, Stan Store automatically delivers the ebook to them via email. You don't have to manually send anything. It is all automated. And you can also collect emails from your customers, which is huge for building your email list and marketing to them at a later time. And they handle all the payment processing through Stripe, so you get paid directly to your bank account. Now, the pricing is a flat monthly fee. It's around $29 a month, but you could try it out for 30 days to see if it works for you. There's no transaction fee on top of that, which is really nice when you start making more sales. Now, Stan Store is especially great if you are building your audience on social media because it is designed for creators. It's simple, it looks good, and it just works. You can also use PayHip. It's free to start. You just pay a 5% transaction fee plus whatever PayPal or Stripe charges. Now, if you start selling a lot, which is a great problem to have, you can actually upgrade to one of their paid plans. So it really depends on your situation. If you are just starting out and want to test the waters without any upfront cost, then go with PayHip. If you are already building an audience on social media and want something that looks really clean, professional, Stan Store is worth checking out. Now, here's the hardest part, actually selling your ebook. And that comes down to building an audience. Now, the way that I've been selling my digital product is directly to my own audience, but I have been building my audience since 2009. Email marketing is hands down my most powerful channel. I use Kit for my email list and newsletters. And if you haven't started an email list yet or building one, start now. It's one of the best investments that you can make for your business. If you would like to try out Kit, I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, there's also social media. I recommend picking one platform and really focusing on it. For me, it's YouTube. If you have the time and energy to create content for multiple platforms like Instagram or TikTok, go for it. But don't spread yourself too thin. The key is to build your own audience because they already trust you. They have been following you for a reason. So when you have something to sell, they are way more likely to buy from you than some random person they have never heard of. All right, that's it. This is my first tutorial on ebooks. So if you like more tutorials on ebooks just like this, please comment below and let me know what you want to learn. And if you want step-by-step help with creating and selling digital products, remember to try my digital product mastery membership for just $7 for the first 30 days. Comment trial below and I will get you all set up. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.